Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring the gaps between tiles with a ruler or feeler gauge. Typical spacer sizes are 1/8 inch or 3/16 inch. Inspect each tile for looseness and cracks. If a tile is cracked, replace it before proceeding. Check the substrate flatness across the floor or wall. If the substrate varies more than 1/8 inch over a 3-5 foot span, you must level it. Leveling prevents lippage when tiles are butted directly together. Remove existing grout around the tiles using a grout saw or oscillating tool with a 3-5 inch blade. Take out any loose tile and set aside reusable pieces. Use an oscillating tool and a thin scraper to remove old thinset down to a flat, even plane. Clean dust with a shop vacuum and wipe with a damp sponge. Wear safety goggles and a dust mask during work. A clean, flat substrate is essential for butting tiles without gaps. Apply a continuous layer of thinset mortar with a 1/4 inch notch trowel for full contact. Back butter the tile to ensure 100% bedding and avoid voids under large tiles. Position tiles directly adjacent to each other by butting edges together with no spacers. Tap each tile gently with a rubber mallet to seat them evenly and check levels. Allow thinset to cure for 24 hours before walking on the surface. Finally, clean surface residue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.